kaliko loving akora ka video. Morris the crochet.
All right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z, and we're located in Intinda, Ministers Village. Yes, so those who would want to have our services, you can book from using that number in the description. Yes, and you reach out to the Hair by Clippers. And again, to those ones who would want to order for hair extensions, still you can do the same with that number, and then we deliver it to you where you are. And of course, my name is Maurice again, and we're going to see this beautiful hairstyle. It is very, very protective and long lasting, and I always recommend these to those people who have weak hairline and when they have broken hairline. So this is a very good hairstyle for you guys, and once you do it, it is a stress-free hairstyle because the maintaining it is very, very easy. So for now, as we're going to start, I know there are always questions about how many pieces that I use, what the name of the hair extension that I use. Everything is going to be in the video, just because the only problem I have is some people don't watch the video, and you find they're asking the same question after watching. They're asking the same question, where the extension and maybe how many do I use. I always tell everyone, I always add the videos to show you what I use. So for now, let's start with the inward cornrows, and this is how we do it. And of course, I always want to show you the art of it so that you can also learn how to do this. So let's continue, and we see.
You got the touch of a crochet master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chitayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good.
Totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Bano beba number one. Boli chimu ba chikola from the heart.
Yes, hope you have seen how the cornrows looks like, and then we try to sew it so that it is very, very nice. So this is the perfect cornrow for this type of a crochet. And when we're done with everything, of course, our MDC hair product, we have to add it in the anti-itchy. It protects the hair to from it doesn't okay, the itching, and then it boosts the hair, so it is 2-in-1. I love it so much, so, and I always apply it to my clients. So after it all, we're going to start doing the crochet. Okay, this is how we're doing the crochet. Of course, we lock it accordingly, and this is the most beautiful hairstyle that I would say. And of course, one is going to ask, what hair extension am I using? And those are the things that I always want to answer you, so that we get to know each and everything when it comes to that. So the locking is as the way other people lock the crochet. Now this is the hair extension that I always use, and it's called Afro Bamboo. To those ones who would want to search it, this is how it looks. Very, very soft, and you can use 4 pieces. That enough for you. So it is Afro Bamboo, and yes, you can search for it right now, and you'll be able to get it. Yes, available in all colors. So after it all, this is how it looks. So let's do the crochet and we continue.
Wetolina chongamba. Number one, you know. My big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Buli chimu bachikola from the heart. Obukugu bwa pulo. Temuli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujemviri bakubwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them masters, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here,
all right, besides the twisting, I always want to show you like this perfectly. If you try to look at her, it is not like something like she's doing that is very, very tight. She's doing it softly. You just you don't need to make it tight while doing the twisting. So that one's also very, very important. So now when we're done with everything, you make sure that you pack it very, very well. And please, you should note this. Most people do crochet but on wrong cornrows, and I always try to teach you this thing. It is the type of a cornrow that matters, the extension that you're going to add on. If your extension is big, of course the cornrow is supposed to be big. If the extension is very, very small, even your cornrows are supposed to be tiny. So each crochet has got its own cornrow. Okay, so that is something that guys you need to understand when it comes to all that. So when we're done with everything here, we're going to start doing the palm rods. And the palm rods, of course, it depends on how your client wants it, or if you want it very short. And of course, the more shorter, the more you also start it from like down, it becomes more shorter. And if someone wants it a bit longer, you start it from you don't start it from the root, you start it from down. Yes, just like that. So after it all, we are coming with our hot water. You just have to be very, very careful when it comes to that, because yes, that is the only part that is always very, very important, that you need to focus. So in everything we're done, after all that, we're just going to remove the palm rods like that. You can see how it looks. So even the cowls depends on the palm rod that you're using. If your cowls are big, of course, even your palm rod, the cowls are going to be big. So that's how it is. So after it all, here it is. I'm done with everything, and you can see how the cows looks like. I really love it. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, but please, from the count of 1 to 10, give me the rate on how you see, what do you say about this hairstyle. So rate me from 1 to 10, and please don't forget to give me a like. Yes, like the video after watching, and if possible, you can tell me where you're watching from. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. I love you so much, and may the Lord keep blessing you. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.